Welcome back to Tech Hunter, I'm Syed. In today's video, I'll show you how to uninstall your keyboard driver in Windows 11. If your keyboard isn't working properly, has driver issues, or you simply want to reinstall the driver, this tutorial will help you do it quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. First, right-click on this PC. Now click on Show More Options. After that, click on Manage. This will open the Computer Management window. From the left-hand panel, click on Device Manager. Here you'll see a list of all the hardware devices connected to your computer. Now expand the Keyboard section. Next, right-click on Standard PS2 Keyboard, then click on Uninstall Device. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Click Uninstall to confirm. That's it. Your keyboard driver has now been uninstalled. In most cases, Windows will automatically reinstall the keyboard driver after you restart your computer. If it doesn't, simply open Device Manager, click Action, and then select Scan for hardware changes. You can also restart your computer, and Windows will usually install the driver automatically. Your keyboard driver has now been successfully uninstalled. After restarting your computer, Windows will normally reinstall the appropriate keyboard driver automatically. So friends, that's the easiest way to uninstall a keyboard driver in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Tech Hunter for more technology tips and tutorials. I'm Syed, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.